Steve did some experimenting here. I'm going to show you the results. First, I'm going to show you what we've got here. So I've pushed this one back down several times, but as you know, it just lifts up. And from the residue that was on here, we can tell that it's been stretched. And on both of these samples, this was darkened from picking up dirt in the shop. So that means that this thing pulled itself back in tension. And then the glue residue was out here. So it's trying to go home. So this one has not been glued. This one has been super glued. And I'm going to show you, I left this edge here loose. And this has got a bead of thin super glue that's set up in here. So you can see when I try to pull it up where it's been glued, it doesn't want to release. And I can't pick this edge up. So the super glue has fused these two pieces of rubber plastic together. So I think we could call that permanent. And I'll show you how I did it over here. I tried using a pick to start with. There's not enough surface area there to pick up glue, so I went to a small flatbed screwdriver, put some thin hot stuff in a cap so that I can just basically come in here and dip the screwdriver into it and then just put it right down on that line and let that bead of glue sit right there. I'm going to run this one all the way out to the end, and then that's pretty much it. So that will basically bond those two edges, or not edges, but two surfaces together with heat, because what's going to happen is this is going to chemically bond, and so there's a little thermal energy going on down there. And I let that sit for about probably 10 minutes before fiddling with it again, and it was set up by then. So I think if you had all these in a row and then somebody sat down and very carefully did what I had, you could make the tape work. Or I think still probably a better alternative is the heat shrink, and I sent that to you in an email with a link. Okay,